Hey, it's Michelle.
It's Kelly.
And
I hope
welcome
you can
back
hear.
to our channel. You guys did the intro first.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. So this is week three I think,
Vlogmas.
of Vlogmas.
The TV's on in the background, so if you hear something, it's just the TV. It's on Food Network. It usually is.
Yep, Food Network.
So it's week 3 of Vlogmas, and so we're starting our third week vlog, and it's Tuesday.
Yeah, it's Tuesday afternoon, and we're getting ready right now.
But this is not going to be up until this weekend, but this was filmed on Tuesday, just so you know before you watch.
This will probably be posted like Saturday, because that's the day we're posting like our Vlogmas. That's like the Vlogmas week 3, but it's like filmed on Tuesday, posted on Saturday.
So we're trying to vlog one thing that we do every week until Christmas for Vlogmas.
Right now we're getting ready to go to the Cheesecake Factory, and we probably won't actually vlog much actually there because we're going with people from our church, and that's a little bit awkward to film with other people.
Yeah, we're going to the Cheesecake Factory with some people from our church, and we don't want to vlog because that would be awkward.
We will show our food.
Yeah, me and Michelle are going, and
but we'll film like the restaurant, like the outside of it. We'll film our food and stuff. And right now the camera cut off, but what I was saying is, yeah, right now we're just gonna start getting ready, and we're gonna show you like our outfits and everything, like us getting ready.
And yeah, since we're with other people, we can't vlog because it would be awkward. It's uncomfortable to vlog around other people because most of the times they don't want to be in the vlog, or they're just kind of rude about it.
Yeah.
So anytime you get on camera, people are always kind of rude. But yeah, like she said earlier, we're going to try to show like what we order, the dishes that we order.
Yeah.
We don't go to the Cheesecake Factory a lot. The last time I went was for my birthday a few months ago. And we'll probably film like walking in or something, and we're going to show you when we're through with our makeup. We'll show you the outfits.
Yes.
We both have these new necklaces we're wearing.
Yeah, these are from Target.
They're cute.
And yeah, I haven't done my makeup. My hair is straightened.
And I don't have my bangs down right now. I look weird. But yeah, we'll update you. So we are ready now, and we're going to show our finished makeup and hair and outfits. So,
yes, she's cutting me out.
And we're in front of the Christmas tree right now because we are waiting to go.
Yeah.
So let's show the outfits.
So I'm wearing this tunic that has some ruffles at the bottom, some black leggings, and then these loafers or mules.
Yeah, I don't know what they're called.
I'm not sure. Yeah, this is my makeup.
Our makeup and hair. Okay, so I'm wearing this dress. I've worn it before, but I haven't worn it in a couple of months because I forgot about it. I'm wearing this gray jacket with a rose because it's cold, so I'm wearing these red pointy shoes. I don't know what they're called. Here are my nails. They're just like painted like with a clear, like I don't know what you call this color, but it's just kind of clear. My makeup. I like this red lipstick that I put on. I think it's called the Katy Cat Gloss. I'm not sure what shade, but it's the red one. This is my eye makeup. And here's my hair. I did something different with my hair. It's in like a top bun with a red scrunchie. So there's my hair. I like it for something different. So yeah, that's our outfit. So.
No, we have it here.
Oh, you can show this.
Can you type it? I'll put it on makeup seconds.
Let's see what it looks like. The presentation's beautiful, whatever it looks like. I can hardly see it. It kind of looks like pigs in a blanket. All right. Now, do you want me to send it by me? It is.
Okay, so we're back home now, and we got as many clips as we could of our food, but we couldn't get that many. We got as many as we could because there was other people there, but now we're going to talk about the dishes that we tried.
Yes, so
Because we both tried something new that we hadn't had there before, because like I said, we don't go there that much. Only been there twice, so we got something different. We both got something different. So what did you get?
I got the chicken parmesan sandwich.
As you saw in those clips, but it was kind of dark, so it didn't show up that well.
So yeah, I got that, and it was good. It was really big.
It was like 2 sandwiches
Yeah.
almost. And I got the macaroni and cheeseburger. It was like a hamburger, and it was filled with like fried macaroni and cheese, and both of those came with like fries. It was really good, but their meals are like really filling.
Yes, they are.
And
we got some cheesecake. I got cookie dough cheesecake.
Here's the to-go thing from the Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah, we got these little to-go boxes.
We brought this one for our
Well, I don't know which is which.
I think it's this one because she hasn't ate most of it.
Yeah, so this one that we got for her, this is ours.
This is ours. Okay, we'll just show ours. This is the ones we got.
Yeah.
We ate part of
I
it.
got cookie dough, which is this one, and it was really good. And then Kelly got like the classic strawberry.
Yeah, the cookie dough one was really good. I tried some of it.
Yeah, we saw this stuff on the menu. We looked at the menu yesterday.
That was just another strawberry one.
Yeah,
It's the strawberry one. They were both really good.
yeah. They have a lot of different cheesecake flavors that look really good.
Yeah, so we just both got those and kind of like shared them.
Yeah.
And then we brought that one back.
Yeah, so it was all really good.
It was good, and I'm full.
Mhm.
So yeah.
So yeah, thanks for watching this Vlogmas week
It
3.
was kind of short compared to the other ones
Yeah.
because we weren't able to film that much while we were actually there.
Yeah, but I think it was still. Hopefully, it was still.
It was probably like the most like Christmassy thing that we'll do this week, so that's why we wanted to vlog this for our
Yeah.
Vlogmas.
So there's really only one more week of Vlogmas before Christmas.
There is.
Yeah,
Oh.
because we're posting this weekend.
Oh yeah.
So there's really only one more week of Vlogmas.
We'll probably vlog like Christmas Eve or something.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay, hey, so, I just wanted to do this one, little clip here to explain that, since we didn't get to film that much in the, restaurant, we thought we would insert these couple of pictures that we got from the other night. By the way, it's later now, it's Thursday, but I'm just going to insert this in here. So next you're going to see a couple of pictures that we took, some pictures of our food, and a picture that we took in front of our tree before we left that night in our outfits, and a picture of us with our Sunday school class that we went out to eat with. So that's what we're going to insert here. I just wanted to explain so you would know what that was. So yeah, I think that's all.